Welcome to a Systems for Dentists training video. My name is Graham, and in this session we'll be looking at how to record the use of petty cache. We'll start by going to the tooth in the top left hand corner of the screen and choosing the option for Accounts Full. Within here, we'll move to the Nominal tab. This will give us the list of nominal items that can be used in the accounts. Many practices will use the Expenses option to record any petty cache use. But it is also possible to create a petty cache item. We'll do so by choosing the option for New, enter its name, select the type as Expenses, and then Save. To use this nominal, we go to the drop down at the top of the screen and choose the option for Petty Cache. On the window that appears, we can see the Account From is selected as Till, meaning that the money will be removed from the day's takings. Then, from Nominal, we can select our newly created Petty Cache. It then remains for us to enter a reference, the gross amount used, the tax rate, and the reason for the use of these funds. When we select OK, this is now recorded. To view it, we once again return to the drop-down menu and this time use the option for Dashboard. This will show the day's takings, and under the Petty Cache tab, we have a list of petty cache items that have been used during the day. Thank you for watching. For more videos and FAQs, please see our website. For any other questions or support requests, don't hesitate to call